What's up, boys? Since I have nothing to make, I'm gonna make a little bit of a market recap and what the market's been doing recently, and just kind of predicting where the market's gonna go and stuff like that. So, let's get right into it. I will also tell you stocks, what stocks to buy, my watch list, what I'm looking out for. It's Christmas week, so I'm obviously not trading anything for the next, week, 2 weeks, and I'm just trying to make a quick little video. So, yeah, let's get right into this. So, go over to Target. I'm going to go with stocks first, and then I'll go with crypto. Okay. So, as you guys can see, monthly time frame. What do we have? We have Target down at these levels. I only do this for stocks and crypto, as you guys will see, but I have this level drawn out on Target, and this will be on more stocks as well. But go to the weekly time frame. Weekly is going to break structure, and weekly retraced, and it's breaking structure to the uptrend. Maybe this today was a huge week, and so now it's at 136, and I will hold probably all the way to here. So a 30% gain, and yeah, that's all I got with Target. Here's my levels. This is the monthly time frame. If you guys want a separate video of how I get levels, just DM me or send it in the comments, and I'll make a video on levels and what I do with them. Here's AMD. AMD looking very similar to Target. Bearish weekly time frame. Has a huge kick up from Christmas week. And that's all I got with AMD. AMD, here's my price target because it's an AI stock. And AI is going through the moon right now. Here's Pepsi. Here's levels on Pepsi. I have one right here, one right here. We'll see what Pepsi wants to do. And levels right here. I think market's gonna go like this. Bam, 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 bam. And here we have Nvidia, another extremely strong stock. And what do we have with Nvidia? We have a monthly. We have a bunch of junk right here on levels. And we have more levels down here, but I didn't think it was going to go down to here because it respected up here so well. And what happens? It's going to break structure on the weekly time frame right here. And expecting it to go up, hit highs again, expecting it to hit 176. And yeah, what do we got with, we have another one, Eli Lilly and Company. Let's see here. Eli Lilly and Company, it broke structure on the weekly a while ago. Retraced, hit this fair value gap, hit the level again. Is bouncing straight back out of it. Monthly time frame. This is what we got. We have levels all the way down here. And I'm just kind of buying these stocks, watching them, making sure they don't drop too much, managing my risk on them, so I can have money work for me. Here's Adobe. Adobe hit a monthly low right here, right here. We also have, why can't I talk? We also have a level right here. Price went into the level, respected it, jumped out. It's retesting it right now. So just another time to buy with Adobe, and hoping that it stays right here, breaks out right here on the weekly time frame, because I can inverse this fair value gap, and then I'll buy in on Adobe. J&J, another super strong stock. And if you guys want to know how I get these stocks and stuff like that, I can make a video with that as well. I'm completely open to all of this stuff, and I'm willing to teach you guys, but I want to make sure you guys know that you just have to tell me to do this, and I will. But we have a big ass level right here, more right here, and that's all I have right now. And weekly time frame, I'm gonna look for a break of structure right here before I get in, or unless it retraces and then no break structure, whatever gives me best risk to reward, but probably aiming for these highs right here. Probably. We'll see what price wants to do these next couple of weeks. But last one, Home Depot. Super strong stock. And hit this level right here. And I think price is going to go down to here. And then I think it's going to break out. And then I think it's going to hit all-time highs again. Right here. And I also think that it's going to go right here. Go like this. Like this. I also think it's going to hit right here. And right here. So if you're looking for a strong stock, this would easily be another one. Home Depot, great overall stock, and now I'm just waiting for an entry on Home Depot. But yeah, that's all I have on my active watch list for stocks. And then we have commodities as well. Commodities are at super high levels. I look at the 3-month and the monthly, or the yearly, excuse me. So these are just really far away. But I need silver to drop all the way over here. Solid 40%. It's going to take forever to get there, obviously. But yeah, I need price to go there for me to get in. I also, honestly, I just made another level. We'll see if it respects it. I only do these with commodities, stocks, and crypto because it does not work with anything else, really. Yeah. So if price gets right here, I will buy silver again. And then we have gold. Gold is super high. There's not really any levels on gold. You could say one right here. But it's like, it's going to hit this liquidity. So it doesn't matter. But I will buy gold when it hits down there. Here's what silver is looking like. And then my crypto isn't showing because of my face cam, so I'm just going to look it up. Bitcoin. Alright. So this is what Bitcoin's looking like. Obviously, we have the levels all the way down here that it was fighting for. Bitcoin's just not a buy for me right now. It's way too risky. Way too risky. And yeah, I just don't really like it right now. And it's just not on my list for what I want to buy right now. But these are my levels with Bitcoin. Obviously, we have these ones, but they're all the way down here. We have way more, but it's like they're not even like I just drew out so much. But here's what Bitcoin's looking like. Obviously, it's slammed all-time highs. I'm expecting it to go, honestly, all the way up here. Or oops. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go all the way up here. Especially with how bullish it is. I'm expecting it to at least go to 122,000. Just due to how bullish Bitcoin really is right now. And with Trump being back in office, like, I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon, especially with the government being in it. So, I mean, obviously another 27%. And, I mean, some people got in way over here and they're up 300%. It's whatever you're at with Bitcoin, but I'm expecting price to go up all the way over there. What I'm looking at right now is easily Ethereum. There we go. So I have my Ethereum levels out right now in the weekly time frame. Like, look at this. Perfect. It is perfectly in line with this level. It's respecting the shit out of it. And daily time frame's looking a little rough, choppy. So is Bitcoin though, so. But I'm expecting price easily to hit all-time highs. So honestly, a really good time to buy right now with Ethereum. Get a solid 45% out of it. Would be right now. I'm just waiting for a little bit more confirmation and then I'll enter. But that's just me. And yeah. What else am I looking at? Solana or Sol. This isn't the right chart that I use. What is it under? Yeah, it's this one. There we go. Am I even on the right one? Whatever. Anyways, Solana, I mean, as you guys know, hit all-time highs November. Nothing crazy about it. It's being pretty bearish right now. It's filling in equilibrium. Or it filled in equilibrium completely. It is also, oh my goodness, it's also at, oh my goodness, it's also at this level right now. And another good time to buy Solana. It's a little bit riskier. And I'm not much with entering on altcoins when they're already super high up. I like entering like right here, you know, right here. Like, I don't like entering like this where it already hit all-time highs, shot down. Like, it's just way too much risk on the table, because guess what? You're probably gonna squeeze what? You're probably gonna squeeze maybe. You're probably gonna squeeze it to 300, and like, obviously it's all about risk and controlling your risk. You're gonna squeeze 60% out of it, and it's already hit all-time highs, but then it's it's super high up already, and going down just to where it was is 42% loss. That's not worth it at all. And it's like, I mean, right here, hit all-time highs, or it slammed them at all-time highs. Retraced, went up, obviously, and then shot back down. Like, the risk for me personally just isn't there. And I mean, you guys can play it however you want to, but for me, not quite there. Whereas Ethereum, the risk is there. Like, I'm in this right now, and I'm gonna add more when I get more confirmation for it. And I think I said I didn't enter yet, but I did. But I'm gonna enter more because, like, 44%, and it didn't even touch all-time highs, and it's the second biggest crypto. Like, it's just unnecessary to even be looking at other things right now when Ethereum is doing this. And it's like, makes me want to enter more, but gotta manage your risk. And yeah, just kind of easy money. That's all I got for you guys. It was a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be, but I'll get this uploaded to you on Friday. I'm sorry for missing Thursday or Wednesday. It was fucking Christmas though, so I'm not gonna say I'm sorry for it. I was with my family, enjoying my family time. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little recap. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't trade until January 5th or January 6th. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As in, this is the next video, so peace. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.